Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Gusto to Xero, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Gusto account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the settings section in the bottom left corner. In the settings menu, locate and click on integrations. Next, find the option labeled Xero and click on it. You will now see a prompt to connect your Xero account. Click on the Connect to Xero button. A new window will open, asking you to log into your Xero account. Enter your Xero credentials and click Login. If prompted, grant Gusto permission to access your Xero account. Once you grant permission, return to the Gusto dashboard. You should see a confirmation that Gusto is now connected to Xero. Next, go back to the Integrations section in Gusto. Here, you can configure your integration settings. Choose the appropriate options for syncing employee data and payroll information. After configuring your settings, save your changes. Your Gusto account is now successfully connected to Xero. You can start syncing your payroll data seamlessly. To verify the connection, you may want to run a test sync to check for any discrepancies. Monitor the integration to ensure everything operates smoothly over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.